My name is Clara. I've been selling on Amazon for 3 years.
So my name is Andrew. I'm a new member for Brandon's seller system.
My name is Rivera. I run a 7-figure brand on Amazon and Shopify.
Hello, my name is Kevin. I'm part of Brandon Seller System Masterclass from today.
I'm Raul Ulloa, and the value that I got from today, SEO is so important, and you can do too many things inside Amazon that you don't know. And then when you understand the data, you can actually get success on Amazon. That's it, period.
Something that I did learn and was variation names. So I didn't know that you actually can index for keywords in variation names. And I also second guessed the images that we have on our listing and just seeing if it actually communicates that specific feature or benefit that we are trying to convey. So it made me think and really look at my listing and think, okay, is this clear and do I want to change it or test it?
So this is one of my first kind of face-to-face interaction, with him, how he's explaining about PPC and how to properly launch the product. I learned a lot from this, more than kind of what I expected. So totally worth it. Probably come back again.
And one of the exciting things I learned today was the new feature being released on DataDive on PPC audits. We could easily identify keywords that we could be spending more on or keywords that we're spending too much on, and seeing how it really impacts organic rank. Just really next level stuff. Nobody else is doing this kind of thing right now. So really excited to be here.
And I actually learned two things that actually I think is going to really help me, which is how to run lightning deals, which is less than every less than 30 days, run it for 5 days, and that's going to improve ranking overall. And not to turn off any PPC campaigns, just reduce the budget. If you're ranking the top first, second, or third product, not to turn it off, just reduce the budget and then increase it once you see that organic ranking is getting affected, if they get affected at all. So I think it's really valuable. I recommend anyone to come and learn. There is something always, like Amazon is always evolving, and you have to keep on top of it to be on top of the game.
So my name is Roxy. I've been in Inner Circle since July. And the reason why I joined was I had met a group of people at the Canton Fair in China. And everyone that wasn't even in Inner Circle told me if I'm going to join a team, Brandon is the real deal. He knows what he's doing. He's not some fake guru. And it took me a year before I could get to the point where I am today. And for a year I was searching for information and I was going around in circles. I wasn't really getting anywhere. And after I met Brandon, it basically catapulted me into actually getting ready to launch my first product in a few weeks. And I'm so excited. And I don't think I would be where I am confident without the information that I got from Brandon.
My name is Adil. I've been part of the Inner Circle for 1.5 years almost. And I love being part of the Inner Circle because of the networking events, and we get to learn from the best, which is Brandon Young. He's definitely a leader in the industry, and we have office hours every week. We have master classes, so there's lots of content to go through as an Amazon seller, and he's always there when you need the support, as well as the support system is really good with the community, as well as the software is also there for that as well. So I would definitely recommend DataDive to other people. I don't think there's any alternative to DataDive. So Brandon Young, what he's put together is a gem.
Hello, my name is Andres Padilla. I'm an Inner Circle member, and I've been doing this for since 2019. Just right before COVID, I met Brandon Young in conference in Miami, and ever since, I just become a member of Inner Circle. The Inner Circle is really the best thing that happened to me because I learned everything about how to source, how to know how to find a good product, how to list it, PPC, I mean, everything about the community, how they help us, how we help each other. The Inner Circle group, it's great, it's awesome.
Hi, my name's Arnav. I'm in the Inner Circle. It's been almost a year that I've joined. And my favorite thing about Inner Circle is the network. You get to talk to so many great sellers, and they've been able to give me a lot of really good advice on launching my products, which has helped me a ton. And also Brandon's courses have been extremely helpful to following a step-by-step, almost like an SOP to launching products successfully on Amazon. If you're interested in selling on Amazon, I'd highly recommend joining Seller Systems and using DataDive. They're both really powerful tools and vehicles to getting to where you want to go in your selling goals.
Hi, my name is Aaron, and I just wanted to make a video to thank Brandon and the program that he has. I joined his program about 1.5 years ago, actually because a friend of mine that I have a lot of respect for recommended Brandon's program and said this is a legit business and you should check it out. And I didn't do too much for I kind of putsied around for about 6 months. Then I got started. I launched a few products, and it was exactly like Brandon said. One of the products didn't do that good. One of the products is okay that we're going to cut, and one of them is doing pretty good. It's making about $500 to $1,000 a week in profit, which is kind of nice. And what's great about Brandon's training is that he keeps, in my experience, he keeps revamping the training because Amazon's always updating. And this year alone, they've rolled out a lot of training that's been more updated, and a lot of it is right to the point. It's really fantastic. I mean, it's organized. They have PowerPoints, it's nuts and bolts, and it's like exactly what to do step by step. So you can just take action and you don't really have to guess on what to do. So it's been fantastic. I've been using their software DataDive, which is great. We've been pounding that out. And I'm still kind of in the beginning processes, but I got a few products now that we've been ordered that are either getting made, and we're kind of starting our next round of products to get them into Amazon and hopefully keep growing the business. So thank you again, Brandon Young. If you're thinking about joining the program, I do recommend it. There's a lot of in my experience, there's a lot of high-end sellers in there too. I mean, a lot of people are massively proactive. I've been in different Facebook groups, depending on for different things, and you can tell the people in his group are very proactive. They're very on it. They're very professional. It's a higher level type of person, and I almost always get answers right away to questions that I have. And if not, Brandon has it's usually once a week. He's got like a live training where you can get on and ask him questions. And he, even though he does about $30 million a year in sales, he answers the questions as well, which I really like. And you can tell he cares about the students too. He'll sit there, he'll think about it. You can tell he gives thought to the answers to each of the questions, which is fantastic. So that's it. I'll see you guys.